Welcome to the Narendra classes of life sciences. We will discuss about the enzyme specificity. Enzyme specificity means the enzymes are highly specific to their substrate. Means some enzymes can catalyze the conversion of only a single substrate. Some enzymes can catalyze the structurally related compounds. According to the specificity, they are divided into four types: absolute specificity, group specificity, optical specificity, geometrical specificity. Absolute specificity means the enzyme act only on a single substrate, such as urease, carbonic anhydrase, carbonic anhydrase. Carbonic anhydrase catalyze the combination of carbon dioxide and water to form carbonic acid. Sucrase catalyze the hydrolysis of sucrose. Lactate catalyze the hydrolysis of lactose. So cellulase catalyze the hydrolysis of cellulose. Maltate catalyze the hydrolysis of maltose. So these enzymes are specific for a single substrate. So they are absolute specific towards their substrate. So this is known as absolute specificity, which means the enzyme show 100% specificity to their substrate. The second type of specificity is group specificity. It means that the enzymes can catalyze the conversion of structurally related substrate, such as lactic acid and pyruvic acid. Both are structurally related. So the interconversion of these substrate is catalyzed by lactate dehydrogenase. So lactate dehydrogenase exists for two substrates, lactic acid and pyruvic acid. It converts lactic acid into pyruvic acid and interconverts pyruvic acid into lactic acid. So this type of specificity is known as group specificity because lactic acid and pyruvic acid have structurally related groups. The third type is optical specificity. Means the enzyme can differentiate optical isomerism, such as the enzymes which are specific for D isomer, they cannot catalyze the conversion of L isomer of the same compound, such as L-arginase. L-arginase can act only on arginine exists in L form, whereas some D-amino acid enzymes means these enzymes act only on the D form of the amino acid. So this is called the optical specificity, means the enzymes are specific either D form or L form of the compound. Geometrical specificity. Geometrical specificity states the relation of cis and trans position of the double bond in a compound, such as malic acid and fumaric acid, which are interconverted by the enzyme fumarase. The cis position is malic acid. Malic acid and the enzyme fumarase does not catalyze the interconversion of malic acid to the fumaric acid because the position of the double bond differ from malic acid to the maleic acid. So this differentiation between the cis and trans position of the double bond in a compound is differentiated by the enzyme. So this type of specificity is called geometrical specificity. This type of one example is also seen in the fatty acid oxidation. Trans-ennoyl coenzyme. Trans-ennoyl coenzyme means the enzyme catalyzes the conversion of ennoyl coenzyme into their product. In which type of ennoyl coenzyme? Which exists in trans position of the double bond. So these are 4 types of specificity which are shown by the enzymes. Besides this, there are some other enzymes which catalyze the same type of the reaction, but they differentiate their specificity. For example, pepsin. Pepsin is the proteolytic enzyme and cleaves the peptide bond at which the aromatic amino acids are present. Aromatic means phenylalanine, tryptophan or tyrosine are present at the site of the peptide bond where pepsin attacks. Whereas trypsin cleaves the peptide bond. It is also a proteolytic enzyme and cleaves the peptide bond at the site where basic amino acids, arginine or lysine are present. Whereas chymotrypsin hydrolyzes the peptide bond at which aromatic amino acids are also present. So these are the enzymes. They all are proteolytic enzymes, but they differ in their site because they have a specific site for the cleavage of the peptide bond according to the type of the amino acid present on their catalytic site. So these are the